Bay window installation in Nampa, Idaho, is a popular choice for homeowners looking to enhance their home's aesthetic appeal and functionality. With a variety of bay window styles available, residents can choose from traditional to contemporary designs that complement their home's architecture. Bay Windows Nampa offer expert services to ensure a seamless installation process, providing homeowners with peace of mind and a beautiful new addition to their living space. Custom bay windows in Nampa are tailored to meet the specific needs and preferences of each homeowner. These windows offer a unique opportunity to personalize your home, with options for different bay window materials, dimensions, and features. Bay Windows Nampa allows for a perfect fit and finish, ensuring that your new windows enhance both the interior and exterior of your home. Energy-efficient bay windows in Nampa are an excellent investment for those looking to reduce their energy bills and increase their home's comfort. These windows are designed with advanced technology to minimize heat transfer, keeping your home warm in the winter and cool in the summer. Bay Windows Nampa ID can help you select the best energy-efficient options for your home, ensuring maximum savings and comfort. Bay window replacement in Nampa ID is a service that many homeowners seek when their existing windows become outdated or damaged. Replacing old windows with new energy-efficient models can significantly improve your home's appearance and performance. Bay window replacement. Nampa ID services are provided by experienced professionals who can guide you through the process, from selecting the right style to completing the installation. Bay window repair in Nampa, Idaho is essential for maintaining the integrity and functionality of your windows. Whether it's a minor issue like a broken seal or a more significant problem like structural damage, Bay window repair services in Nampa can address these concerns promptly. Regular maintenance and timely repairs can extend the lifespan of your windows and prevent costly replacements. Affordable bay windows in Nampa are available for homeowners on a budget who still want to enjoy the benefits of this beautiful window style. By working with reputable bay window contractors in Nampa, you can find cost-effective solutions that don't compromise on quality or aesthetics. Affordable bay windows. Nampa options include a range of materials and styles to suit any budget. When it comes to bay window installation in Nampa, Idaho, choosing the right bay window contractors is crucial for ensuring a seamless and professional experience. Bay window experts in Nampa ID are well-versed in the latest bay window styles and designs, offering a wide range of bay window options to suit any home. Whether you're looking for custom bay windows or energy-efficient bay windows, Nampa's bay window specialists have the expertise to deliver exceptional results. Custom bay windows in Nampa offer homeowners the opportunity to personalize their living spaces with unique bay window designs. With a variety of bay window materials available, including wood, vinyl, and aluminum, you can select the perfect bay window frames to complement your home's aesthetic. Bay window customization in Nampa allows for tailored bay window dimensions, ensuring a perfect fit for any room. Energy-efficient bay windows in Nampa are an excellent choice for homeowners looking to reduce energy costs while enhancing their home's comfort. These bay window solutions feature advanced bay window glass technology that minimizes heat transfer, keeping your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. Bay window upgrades in Nampa can significantly improve your home's energy efficiency, making them a smart investment for the future. Affordable bay windows in Nampa are available for homeowners seeking cost-effective bay window solutions without compromising on quality. Bay window installation cost in Nampa, Idaho can vary depending on the bay window features and materials chosen, but there are options to fit every budget. Bay window services in Nampa ID include everything from bay window repair to bay window replacement, ensuring your windows remain in top condition. Bay window maintenance in Nampa, Idaho is essential for preserving the beauty and functionality of your bay windows. Regular maintenance can prevent issues such as leaks and drafts, extending the lifespan of your windows. Bay window repair in Nampa, Idaho is available for addressing any problems that may arise, ensuring your windows continue to perform optimally. Bay window benefits in Nampa ID extend beyond aesthetics, offering increased natural light and improved ventilation. These bay window enhancements can transform any room, creating a more inviting and spacious environment. Bay window features in Nampa, such as built-in seating or storage, add functionality and charm to your home.